Welcome you to this channel and page, The Simple Chemistry Teacher. Remember that the goal of this channel is to teach the basic aspect of simple chemistry so that you'll be able to appreciate chemistry. And we are running a series, and this is the second equation that we are solving. We've started with the first one where we solved where we balanced chemical equations. So in this season we are going to run an episodes where we'll be solving and balancing various chemical equations. Remember, we are not joking here because chemical equations are very important, because if you must get the accurate result that you desire, the accurate results that you desire to get from your reaction, you need to work with a balanced chemical equation. That's why from this balanced chemical equation you are going to know the number of samples that you are going to use, how many moles of the compound you are going to use, and all of that. So it has a lot to tell about your analysis in the lab. So that's why this balancing of chemical equation is very important, and we are out to help you get the best out of it. So when calcium triosocarbonate 4 reacts with HCl, it gives us calcium chloride, water, and carbon 4 oxide. Now let's look at those elements. As you can see, I wrote them here. Let's look at those elements and see the one that is balanced and the one that is not balanced. Now, we have one calcium here. Okay, we have one. And here, how many calcium do we have? We have one. Then we have one carbon here. How many carbon do we have here? One. How many oxygen do we have? Okay, here we have 3 oxygen here. So how many do we have? We have 1 oxygen here and 2, so we have 3. Now let's look at chlorine. We have 1 chlorine here and we have 2 chlorine here. So this one is not balanced. So we are going to work on this, on chlorine. So let's look at hydrogen. Let's see how many hydrogen we have. We have 1 hydrogen here. We have this one. How many do we have here? We have 2 hydrogen here. So you can see that chlorine and hydrogen, they are not balanced. So since we have 1 and we have both of them 2, what if we now add 2 here? So remember in the previous video I said that 2, whenever you add the 2, that the 2 will multiply everything behind it. So 2 times hydrogen, we now have 2 hydrogen, and 2 times 1 atom of chlorine, we now have 2 chlorine. So it is now balanced. So if we want to write the correct chemical equation, this will now be our final answer, whereby we have 1 calcium, 1 calcium, 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 3 oxygen. We have 1 oxygen plus 2, 3, 2 hydrogen, we have 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine, we have 2 chlorine. And that's why we are going to choose this, because everything is now balanced. So we have finally balanced this equation. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe on our channel, The Simple Chemistry Teacher, on YouTube. Then on Facebook, you can follow us, and on Instagram, you can also follow us for more amazing videos. So we are going to be solving those equations and balance those chemical equations. So see you some other time. Have a wonderful time.